Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am ready to film. Today we are doing our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This has been a long-awaited video. Usually my mom and I get our boxes and we open them together, but her box is lost out there somewhere and I don't know where. And it might not get here until she gets her February box. I don't know. Anyway, so I went ahead and opened up my box, and yes, I did go ahead and see what I'm getting inside. Just so that way, I wanted to try on some of the products, but I wanted to go ahead and have everything ready to go. So that way I can just use what I got. But, so yeah, before we go ahead and get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, give me a comment. That'd be great.
Let's get into it, guys.
So when you open it up, it looks like this. So the theme for the month is called Clean Slate. Here's what the card looks like. And then they show all the products that you'll be getting. This month I'm actually pretty excited for a couple of the things that I was sent. First off, I am pretty excited about this Hanalei lip treatment. I actually was sent their lip scrub back quite a few months ago. I don't know if it was either in Ipsy or BoxyCharm, but I really do enjoy this brand, and I might need to get on and check and see what else they carry. Anyways, it's just kind of like a nude packaging with their logo on the front. This is it's an intense, it's a intense lip treatment. It's a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals like
Cuckoo, nut oil,
aloe, and agave. I am actually really excited about this. This has a value of $20. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some real quick because my lips are kind of chapped. This smells like something, but I cannot put my finger on what it smells like. It reminds me of something in my childhood, but I can't put my finger on it. Anyways, the next product in the box that I got is this $1 Billion Brows Bestseller Kit. This retails for $42. And I'm actually really excited to play around with this. You get 4 products in this kit. So you get a brow gel to set your brows. You get a highlighter and concealer double-ended product. You get this brush that's kind of got a flat end. And then you get a $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil, which comes with a lot of product, so that is good. And then it has a spoolie on the other end. So I'm actually really excited to try these out with you guys today. That's why I didn't do my brows. Next up in the box, I got this Jules Smith Beauty Power Gloss Duo in Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. It's a natural wash of color. Swipe either gloss onto your bare lips to create a dimensional lip layer over your favorite lipstick. The value is $32. These look really pretty. And these shades are actually really pretty. But they don't really smell. I really like my lip products to smell. I'm so picky about my lip products. Yeah, they don't really smell, but they do look really, really pretty. So next up, I got this Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in 01 I'll Be Black. Its value is $11.99. And I feel like I have gotten this before, actually. This brand, it looks familiar, and our Ipsy, we get sent eyeliners pretty often. And then the last thing in the box that I was sent is this Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Ruby. It values for $27. here's what it looks like. It is so pretty. I'm so excited to try this out. This was the item that we got to pick in our box. Each month they give you a choice of between like 3 things. And you can pick which one you'd rather get in your box. And then I want to show you the things that I added on. You can do some add-ons for your box if you're wanting to shop some like more products but for like a better deal. So the next thing I got is this Ciate Glow Illuminating Blush. It comes in this little bitty box. It is so tiny and so cute. I got the shade Matchmaker. So pretty. So I will be trying this out today. And then I added on this little eyelash keychain. They kind of have this selection of keychains that you can add on. Oh wow, look. Kind of looks like a mustache. That's funny. Anyways, I added on this little eyelash keychain. It's really cute. So I'll either like just put this on a bag or my keys or something. And then I added on 2 more products. Because I was like, well, you know, they're like half price. These were only $12, I believe, in the add-on section. And normally each of these Huda palettes are a value of $27. So I was like, well, might as well get 2 of them for the price of 1. So I got the Sapphire Obsessions and the Emerald Obsessions. And Huda Beauty has just some of the best shadows. So here are what the other 2 palettes look like these are both add-ons for my box. So I'm excited to have both of these in my collection now. And then the last thing that is in the box is just the bag for the month. It's like this, what am I looking for? It's a marble color. So it is really pretty. I love it. And then on the back side is just marble there too. So that is everything in the box for the month of January. I am going to go ahead and play around with the brow products. And then I want to try out that blush. Okay, so I am just going to go ahead and try out this brow pencil. Since it's a universal brow pencil, it probably is just going to be like a taupey shade, and that's kind of what I use on my brows to begin with, is like a taupey shade, because my hair right now is like a light brown, and it's not a blonde, and it's not like super dark, so I've kind of been doing like the taupey color anyways. So this brow pencil is actually really nice. It is pretty creamy. It goes on pretty easily. The only thing I can tell I'm not going to like is that once it wears down, it's just going to be pretty rounded. So like that's what it looks like right now. I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow, and then we'll use the setting gel real quick. Alrighty, my brows are on. I do prefer more of like a kind of like boxy brow. I know that's not like a lot of people's, you know, style or whatever, but that's kind of like what I prefer. So I'm going to go in with the setting gel now just to kind of set my brows. I never really use a clear setting gel. I do have the Benefit one, just because when I was using the Benefit brow products, I would find that the Benefit products really smudge really bad on my brows, so that's why I have the Benefit. But then I switched and all I use is the NYX brow pencil, and the NYX one doesn't smudge on me. Alrighty guys, so then I'm going to go in with the Ciate London blush. This is just so pretty. Really pretty, love that. I want a full size of this now. This little mini is so cute though. And I love how this blush has like, it has like some little gold reflex in it. Just really pretty. Alrighty, next up, the decision. Which Huda palette do I use? I'm really feeling the pink one today because I'm wearing like a burgundy shirt. But I tell you what, the one that really called my name is this blue one because of this green color. I think I'm going to do a green look, but use the green shade out of this palette, but use the Emerald Obsessions palette. I'm going to go into the shade, this like light green shade here first. I love that part of getting a new eyeshadow palette, peeling off the little plastic piece. So I'm just going to take that and just like work that into the crease. And kind of like above the crease and the, right there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and dive into the green shade right here. And actually work that color into the crease. Alrighty, so that crease is pretty much worked, that color is pretty much worked into the crease. Then I'm gonna go into, I think this kind of like shimmery, like army green color. And I'm gonna use more of a, let's see. I'm going to use more of a dense brush. I know this is a shimmer shade, but I'm going to see if I can use it as like an outer crease color without having to wet it or anything. I'm going to try to use more of a dense brush and see if that works out any better. I love this army green shade a lot. It's really pretty. So I just kind of create a wing with this angled brush with that dark green shade. It turned out pretty good. Alrighty, and then we're gonna go into the Sapphire Obsessions, and I'm gonna use this bright green shade right here. I'm gonna cut my crease real quick with this white concealer from ColourPop, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I got my crease cut, and now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here with this denser packing brush and just kind of pack that on where I applied that concealer. Okay, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I went ahead and put on some mascara. This is the way the eye look turned out. It turned out pretty good. From using both these Huda palettes, really am loving the formula of these. And then I really do love the $1 Billion Brow Kit, and the blush is really, really nice. The Ciate blush, this one. And then the Hanalei lip treatment. That's still just what I have on my lips right now. Really, really nice. I'm going to be loving all these products. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. because this year is going to be a good year for YouTube. I'm going to stick to my uploading schedule. Last week I got in 2 videos for you guys. This week I hope to do 2 as well. I'm kind of shooting for like Monday, Friday, something. I think Mondays and Fridays I think will be good for me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget that you're absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching. So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.